Hi, I'm Sam and I'm a virtual youth worker within the Mix project. Today I'm going to talk you through having a walk in nature and the different things that you can see and do being outdoors in the sunshine and in the countryside. So today I'm going to take a walk at the National Trust Turnhill site, which is a lovely countryside walk, as you can see here. And there's a lovely viewpoint in a minute, and I just really like the countryside because it's so peaceful, and you can just, if you're quiet, you can just hear all the birds tweeting, and it's just a nice place to come and relax and have a sit down, take in all the views around you, all the orchard trees, the apple trees are all coming out now from the orchards around and it's just a great time to get outdoors, really. So as you can see here, this is the viewpoint at the top of the hill where I'm walking today, and you can just see for miles. It's a lovely sunny day and it's just great to be in the outdoors and just listening and relaxing. And you can even do some meditation exercises to relax you. Just taking a few deep breaths and just taking the sounds of the birds. So now you can see I'm walking into the wooded area at Turnhill Woods. I just find woods so fascinating to walk through. You have all the different seasons throughout the year, and like in the spring you see all the trees coming out with the green leaves, and then it's really nice in the autumn when the leaves are turning like from the green to the brown colour, and it's just lovely and relaxing. I've quite often seen deers in these woods as well, so it's just great to be able just to sit down sometimes and just take in all the scenery around. As you can hear, it's so peaceful, and all you've got is the few birds that are in the woods and the wildlife tweeting away. What I also like about this woods is there's a swing there which you can have great fun on, but you've obviously got to be careful down there as it's a steep hill. But like if you wander through woods, you'll quite often see people have made swings which are great fun to have a go on, but I'd always recommend having a friend or family member with you in case you were to have an accident. It's also lovely to find like a fallen tree branch like this one here that I'm sat on, as it is like a natural place, and it's just such a lovely place, the countryside. And a lot of people nowadays just stay in their houses, especially when they're in big towns and cities. And like London, for example, you haven't got like a massive wooded area like you have here in Somerset, so we're really lucky really that we have this right on our doorstep. Thank you for watching the nature video walk today. I really hope you've enjoyed it and you all try and get out in nature and get out in the fresh air more. Thanks, bye.